In this video, we'll explore two methods to design UIs for your game, using Yahaha Studio's built-in UI editor or importing UI packages from FairyGUI, an external UI editor. Let's start with the first method. For example, we want to create a temporary banner for our game. In Edit mode, click on UI to enter the UI editor, then click Create UI Package to start a new package. The top menu bar offers various elements to choose from, add to the canvas, and customize. Let's add a text element. You'll see shared properties and text-specific options in the Properties window, like content, font size, and color. Enter Enjoy Game. In the Content field, set the font size to 128, pick a yellow color, and center the text. Next, let's add an eye-catching background image. Create an image element, select a local image resource, and edit its properties in the Properties window. Remember, UI element order affects their render order. To make the image a background while keeping the text in front, rearrange the elements by moving the image element above the text in the left panel. Preview the UI effect by clicking the Preview button. If you're satisfied, click Export to export the UI package. When you exit the UI editor, you can find the exported UI package via My Resources, Local Files, UI Packages. Now you'll add the UI package to the scene through scripting. Create an empty object, add a script to it named GameFlow2. After creating the script, it'll show up in the Properties window and you'll be redirected to Visual Studio Code. Here, compile the logic for loading and displaying your UI package. For more coding examples and API references, please see our documentation. Back to Studio, you'll see the UI field attribute on the GameFlow2 component. Click on it, select your exported package, and voila! We're ready to experience the UI effects in play mode. The alternative method of designing UIs involves importing UI packages from FairyGUI. Before moving any packages, make sure to complete these steps. First, set FairyGUI as your external UI editor in Studio. Go to Menu, Preferences, External Editors, then specify the UI editor path to the downloaded FairyGUI. Second, in FairyGUI, install Yahaha FairyGUI plugin in the project from which you'll be exporting UI packages. For detailed instructions, just check out our documentation. You can import pre-made resources, just like this. Alternatively, start from scratch. Once ready, right-click the package to access more options. Here's an important tip. To export the package to Studio, first select Publish to Packet. Then choose Zip after Publish to compress it to zip format. Finally, import the zipped package into Studio. Go to My Resources, Local Files, UI Packages, click Import, and select it. To add the package to the scene, follow the same steps as with UI packages created in Studio's UI editor. Once added, let's playtest the UI effects from FairyGUI resources. With Yahaha, you can always explore more design possibilities, even for UIs.